look at using a component on Google Earth and using it for bell work. So if we log into our our Google account, and if you take a look at the 9 squares, and if you scroll down to Google Earth, it will load Google Earth, and it will randomly put you somewhere on the planet. And over here on the left-hand side, we're going to be using the icon that says, I'm feeling lucky. And if you click on the I'm feeling lucky, it will put you somewhere randomly around the earth. It might put you on an island. It might put you in a river. In this case, it put me at the Institute of Contemporary Arts. If I want to go to another one, I just click on I'm feeling lucky again. And this one will take us to, looks like Highway 30 in Hawaii. And it will kind of zoom in a little bit there. And it'll even tell us here at the side where we are on the globe, if you can't recognize that. You can even zoom in, zoom out. If you want to change your map views, you can, if it'll allow you on some aspects. But another thing that kids like to do, and I do as well, if you click the little man, when he turns gold, if the screen has a blue line, that'll allow you to put it there. So right here, I'm going to put us right here on the road. And, well, sometimes it says it works and sometimes it doesn't. Let's try it one more time. We'll put them right here at the... Okay, here we go. You might just have to try it a couple times. And so here we are by the side of the road along the beautiful beach in Hawaii. And you can just kind of use your mouse or tracker to look around. Okay, so the kids are looking at that, but you want them to do something. So if you go back up here to the arrow, for our purposes, click on the place. And right here where it says Add to Project, we're going to click Add to Project. And it's going to come up this, and it's going to say Save to Project, and it's going to give us a title. Well, we want this to go in a new project. We're going to create one. So we go right here, we're going to go New Project, and we're going to title it, we're going to say Bell Work 1. And it's already given us the name of this place, and we're going to save it. So as we take a look, it's auto-saved, and it says Bell Work 1, and automatically it has given us the state park in Hawaii. I'm not going to try to pronounce it at this time because I will mangle it. Well, let's have the kids do something. Again, it's bell work. We want it quick. And I think this year I'm going to go, if you go right here into Edit. So they're going to be able to type something. Now right here on the screen, it's going to have a little information. And we're going to put some of our own information. Now, if we go right here, I want to make sure it's have an info box. And I'm going to have my kids this year so it'll be easy. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to do something A, B, C. A for me is going to stand for allowance. That means if the kid could spend their money to go to this place, would they want to or not? And they got to give me a specific reason. So here on A, the kid, would he want to go or she want to go to this place? And I would maybe type something like, I would love to go here and surf and get a Coolio tan. Okay. Then on B, I'm going to call it borders. What does this place, what is it next to? And all I'm really wanting the kids to do is look around on the map. So here they are. it doesn't necessarily have to be, I'm not going to be really picky. You can maybe have them do 1 or 2, but if they look at this, whoops, as they zoom out to try to find something, I'm going to maybe have them, they could maybe put something like this. They could put, the Pacific Ocean. And on this one, kind of going out, well, my computer's not working that great right now. But all they have to do is just zoom out, and they can find other things. For right now, we'll just say it's just one thing. Then C is going to stand for continent. And that one will be, we'll put it's in North America. And that's it. So that's it for the day. If you want, and so we go back here, and the next day, click again. Maybe you want to have them do 2. Here it says Turner Field, baseball stadium in Atlanta. It's the Atlanta Braves baseball stadium. And so here, okay, we're going to add it to the project. It's in our Bellwork 1. We're going to save it. And we're going to click our pin. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go to replace. And I'm going to go A, B, C. A is the allowance. You might say something like, I hate baseball, and I would not want to go see the Braves. So B, what is it? Border. What are some places? And again, you can have the kids, you can have them do whatever they want. And then C, there's the continent. Here, if it wasn't letting me put in, you might want to make sure it says a small info box, and we'll look at it later. You could even have the kids also add their own pictures. So if you have them click this, and if we do a Google image search, and I'm going to go Turner Field, Atlanta. And I assume that's it, and I can hit select. And it should put, there's the picture right there. You could also put some different icons down here as far as to the places, and there's some other specifics that you could guide the kids into. So next day, so we come in through here, and let's do it one more time. So we click it, and right here, this is taking us to, well, if it looks, oh, there it is, in Russia. So we're going to add it to our project, and we're going to hit save. So here I have 3 of the things on here. So after the kids are finished, however many you want them to do, now the question is, how do they get it to you? Well, first of all, let's look at this. So if we click here and we click present, here at the bottom it says 1 of 3. So here I see where it says that place in Hawaii, and there it is up in the right hand side. I click the next one. There's Turner Field. Next one, there's the place in Russia. So you'll have it, the kids, you'll see their work right there. Now in this case, the kid I didn't type anything, so you'll be able to know that. So to get it to you, that's the question now. So this automatically saves when the kids open up Google Earth. Then if you look up here where it says share project, if you click that, it's going to have, there I am in my email. But depending on what program you're using, you could have the kids They can email that to you if they're allowed to email. But you probably have some type of online portal, such as Canvas in our case. So I'm going to click copy link. And because I want to be able to have the kids sent to me. So if we look through here, it says anyone in Broken Arrow with this link can view it. Now, where's the link? Well, if you even go like right through here and hit change, there it is, and the kids can copy that link. Now, once they copy it, or they can go right here and the link's copied. Once they copy it, they can turn it into you on the portal that you have already set up. And then you can view it as a teacher. But anyway, this was just a quick little way to maybe do bell work. So let's now maybe say, okay, you're done. Or maybe you don't want, maybe you want to do it every couple of weeks. So go on here and you want to create a new project. All you have to do is click I'm feeling lucky. Here's the Memorial Bridge in Bangkok. I'm going to click add to project. However, I'm going to have my kids change the name because I want to call it Bellwork 2. So I'm going to call it, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to put new project and I'm going to call it, I'm going to click new project and I'm going to call it Bell Work 2. And I'm going to hit save. Now notice it's empty, so they can start again. If a kid comes to this and he looks around, she says, I don't want to do anything about the Memorial Bridge. All they have to do is just click another spot. So as you can kind of see, it does this randomly, and again, just kind of puts the kids, throws them around the world, and it lets them look around a little bit. Like right here, we're in Japan, and you could even look around there. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.